Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg alongside MarineMax Clearwater today. We're back, the Tampa Bay Boat Show right here at the Florida State Fairgrounds. Man, it's been a couple years since we've been here. Been a couple years really for any boat show, so I know that you guys are probably just as excited as we are. And not only are we at a boat show, but we've got boats on the ground. We have boats that you can take delivery of next week. And hey, let's get out on the water. It's winter time. We're in Florida, so we're fortunate enough to have a 12-month boating season, so let's have some fun. Let me take you through what we're working with in the display here. You can see we're outside right by the pond over there. Bring a fishing rod. Got it loaded up with bass for you. We're gonna have a good time. Let's see what we're working with. Right here we got some Nautic Stars. We got a 203 DC ready to rock and roll, available. Boat motor trailer packages. We got trailers underneath a lot of these boats at the show. Of course, we got some deep V center consoles too. This is a 2102 Legacy, Yamaha powered. Got the T-top tandem axle trailer. As we move over here, we've got the whole Sea Ray 19 SPX, or I'm sorry, the whole Sea Ray SPX lineup. Got a 21 right here with the sport tower. Moving on over here, got a 19, beautiful black boat. Magwell wheels, gonna be looking good on your way to the boat ramp. And of course over here, we've got the 230 SPX, the granddaddy of all the SPXs. Got the premium sound system, we got the tunes cranking, we're having a good time. Got the booth here, we have all the top brass in the booth. We're writing up deals. We do have boat show savings. We finally have some incentives again. So there is some urgency here to lock up a deal at the show, save some money, get out on the water. Because hey, let's face it, come December, January, February, all that inventory that's on the ground, all that inventory is gonna be gone and there'll be a 6-month lead time again and you'll be waiting to get out on the water. Everybody asks, hey, what's the best time of the year to buy a boat? What's the best time of the year to buy a boat? It's now. We have the inventory, we have the pricing, and what's stopping you? We got the big boats here too. Make your way over here. We got a Boston Whaler 240 Vantage dual console in stock boat. There once was a long lead time on these boats. We got them now. We got a couple different ones to choose from. Over here, the belle of the ball, we have the Aquila 28 Molokai Cat. A lot of hype around this boat. We got a boat motor trailer package on this one. They usually don't come with trailers. We're throwing in a Magic Tilt trailer with this one. White engines, beautiful boat, awesome layout. If you want to fish, if you want to dive, this is it. Follow me over here. I got one last surprise for you. We got these bonus boats. We just dragged these in this morning. We weren't going to bring them, but we decided to. We got two Nautic Star hybrids. We got a 211 and we got a 231. Both coming with trailers. They're ready to go. You can hook up and go. Get out on the water. Hit the Bass Lake here by the time that the weekend's done. So I'm Nick Pavlakis. We got the whole crew here. Come hang out. Come have some fun. And let's get you on the water. We'll be here until Sunday. Bye, guys.